Here we are, chilling with the boys in the park. Hey, it's AG again. Okay, today we're going to work on a project. It has 5 steps, and each one we're going to take 5 minutes to complete. Okay? I have it all written out in the readme.md file inside this project, which will be located in the description below. So today we're going to create this vowel finder website, which takes in an input. Here I have a string. Let's say this is a test, which takes in an input. When you click submit, number of each vowel that is in that string. And you put in anything that you want, click submit, and it'll recalculate and give you the number of vowels that is in that sentence / paragraph that you put in there. Okay, here are the steps. First, we're going to create the basics. We're going to create a title, a heading 2, we're going to create an input field, we're going to create a button, and we're going to create a table. It should look something like that, like we have right here. Then we're going to get references to all these elements that we just talked about, mainly the input field, the button, and the table. Okay, input, button, and table. Then we're going to create the main function, shouldn't be functions, and that will give us our results that we want. This function is going to be called getAllVowelsCount. And it's going to take in a value, which in this case is some string, which in this case is the text that they enter. And it's going to output an object. And in this object, it's going to have each of the vowels and the count for each one of those vowels. Then we're going to create a handler that's going to handle displaying all those vowels into our table. To do this, we're going to create another function called handleSubmitButtonPressed. And in it, it's going to get the input of the input field. It's going to enter that input into this getVowelsCount that we just created in the last step, put that in as a parameter, take the return of that, and store it in a variable, which will have that object. Then we'll set each one of the cells in the table to its corresponding value for the vowel. Last, we're going to connect this handleSubmitButtonPressed function to the onClick event of the submit button, so that when the submit button is pressed, this handleSubmitButtonPressed function will get called and will do all of the handling for us. Then we're done. So let's get to it.